PBLPV is short for pressure balanced lubricated plug valve. It is a quarter-turn rotary valve used to start, stop, or divert flow in pipelines. It is a type of plug valve where a tapered or cylindrical plug with a port rotates 90 degrees to open or close the flow path. The key difference from a standard plug valve is 1. Lubricated, special sealant or lubricant is injected between plug and body to reduce friction and improve sealing. 2. Pressure balanced, valve design balances pressure around the plug, reducing operating torque, especially under high-pressure service. Working principle of pressure balanced lubricated plug valve. Inside the valve is a plug with a port. 1. Open position, plug port aligns with pipeline fluid flows. 2. Closed position, plug rotates 90 degrees, solid plug blocks flow. Feature of EDVC pressure balanced lubricated plug valve. Advantage of the lubricant. 1. Reduces metal to metal wear. 2. Seals micro gaps. 3. Prevents leakage. Pressure balancing minimizes the force pushing the plug tightly into the seat. Construction of EDVC pressure balanced lubricated plug valve. 1. Body, main pressure retaining shell and usually cast or forged steel. 2. Plug, cylindrical rotating element, has flow port. 3. Stem, connects actuator, handle to plug. 4. Lubricant injection system, injection fitting, supplies sealant, grease under pressure. 5. Seat area, sealing surface between plug and body. 6. Bonnet, allows assembly and maintenance. 7. Packing and gasket, prevent leakage around stem and body joints. EDVC pressure balanced lubricated plug valves are widely used in 1. Oil and gas, crude oil lines, gas transmission, refineries. 2. Petrochemical plants, hydrocarbon service, chemical transfer. 3. Process industries, slurry handling, dirty fluid service. 4. Utilities, steam systems, fuel oil systems. Welcome to choose EDVC plug valve.